What's up, everyone? 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 Welcome back to the next adventure. I'm Bob. Well, today it's a kind of an interesting weather kind of day, so I ended up just driving for a little bit because I have two purposes. One is I've been working on the camping rig because it's had a couple issues that I think I have fixed now. It's some emissions issues basically. So been working on that. I think it's good to go because I've been driving it quite a bit, but I want to run this tank of fuel out to make sure. And two, I have a new camping toy, I guess camping shelter, that I really want to set up in test. And this is it. It's my Haven hammock. What it is, it's supposed to be a lay flat hammock. It's supposed to be able to lay flat so you can sleep on your stomach, your side, whatever else. And it's supposed to be pretty waterproof, and I really like the idea of it. So I bought it a while back, probably a month or so ago, and I'm just itching to try it. I just showed up like 2 days ago, and I'm itching to try it. So I'm gonna try to wait for a little break in the weather. It looks like it's gonna start raining again. It's been raining off and on most of the day, but I might have screwed up and waited too long, but I still wanna at least check it out. By the way, I came to this spot because I've been to this lake before, but I only drove through it one time in the summer because it was too many people and I didn't want to deal with it. And it's actually really beautiful. This is why I love fall and winter and things like that, because I'm the only one here. But this is actually might be a little treat. Look at this, look what I found. A bunch of apples on the ground. If you look up, there's an apple tree. See if we can get one. There's not too many left. We use one of these old apples to throw, try to get a new apple. Here we go, ready? Well, that didn't work. You have to throw it like a baseball and stop. Put a little effort into it. Let's try it. Nothing. All right, let's try again. Nothing? Oh. Whoa, what was that? I'm determined. I need like a stick or something. Whoa, what was that? I don't know if you saw that, but big old dragonfly buzzed my head. All right, I'm gonna get one. There we go. Yeah, oh, I hit it. I thought it was coming down. Yep. Oh, missed it. All right. Well, enough of you watching me fail. I gave it a good shot, but I can't seem to knock one out. I've hit a couple of them, but they're not falling. I do have an idea before we leave. What we'll do is just pull the truck up here and stand on top. Brilliant. Okay, so let's take a little walk, because like I said, I don't know, people just leaving junk around. I'll pack out some of this stuff with me, but this lake is pretty awesome. I wonder if there's any fish in it. Probably is. That's a dumb question. You can probably hear I'm not too far off of a highway. That's the only bad thing about this spot, it seems. It's pretty noisy. But I want to go check back here to see if just maybe there's a decent spot, because I could literally pull the vehicle back here. And I think this area is only technically a day use, but there's no gates or nothing like that. What is that? Looks like part of a tent. Oh, somebody left. Oh, cool. Somebody left some firewood for someone. Good on them. Yeah, doesn't that look like perfect trees right here for a hammock? I don't see why not. All right, so, whoa! Easy does it. I think I'm gonna set it up right over here. If I get it set it up in time, set it up. Yeah, 'cause right there, or maybe these trees right here, because then I can get a nice view of the lake here. If I get it set up in time before it starts raining again, I might be able to relax. I don't think I'm gonna camp just because the weather's supposed to get crappy and I don't feel like being all soggy. But I did bring a little bit of food because I'm gonna be hungry. So I might set it up and relax and eat some food, and then because I just really want to try it out. I'm really curious, and I'll show it to you guys. So I'm gonna pull the vehicle over there and we're gonna start setting this thing up. Okay, I think I have it pretty much set up. I don't have the lines out or nothing, but you can see here, I got the tarp on top just in case it starts raining. That's why it's kind of tilted that way. But you can batten down the hatches with these. Here's the mat, which is kind of cool because you use the bag to inflate it. It took a little longer than I expected, but I think I'll figure out a better strategy over time. Has a bug net that zips. Here's the rain fly that goes over the top. I have not gotten this thing yet, so we're gonna do that together. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, there's some stretching and okay, so I need to lower that side, but holy cow, look at this. I'm laying flat. I need to raise this side a little bit, get my head up, because I don't like sleeping with my head downhill, but that'll be easy to do. Wow, I'm literally, oh, I'm cozy in here. You get the bug net going, and then starts raining on you. Just flip this puppy down. Yeah. You got the straps here to strap that thing on. And if you don't want it up, you can roll it up or just flip it over. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. All right, I'm gonna raise up that side for a minute. Now I'm just gonna sit back and you can see a view if you had a pillow. It's longer than I thought, actually. I thought it was gonna be shorter than this. So you got these guide bars here. Look at that. You got those guide bars here. That's kind of keeps it open a little bit. I'm legitly laying flat. Let's see, let's try to lay on my side. Let's see if I roll over. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is okay. I could I could sleep in this for sure. Who knows? Maybe I will sleep in this tonight. Just stay out here. I did bring my sleeping bag and some food. I don't have a way to charge cameras, but I'll figure that out. All right. I'm gonna like this. And the best part is I'm not on flat ground at all. I'm just up in the forest. Here's my view. I'm laying in the hammock right now. That's what I'm looking at. This is the kind of stuff I've been wanting to try. the reason for getting the hammock was legitly so I could hike in or even motorcycle to, or truck if I can, to spots where can't set tents up on lakes because there's no flat ground, it's just not suitable. But with a hammock, you just string it on the trees and be done with it. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna lift this side. I'm gonna kick back and enjoy this just for a little bit and then probably eat something soon, but I wanna experiment with this, so I'll check in later. Okay. That thing, I haven't slept in it overnight yet, but I laid in there and almost fell asleep. It's ridiculously comfy. Yeah, I mean, you actually lay flat and you're off the ground. It's a hammock, but you're flat. How cool is that? That is worth every penny spent. Okay. For dinner, I think. Yeah, dinner, close enough, right? We're having just a freeze-dried thing. I bought a bunch of these on my last trip to Southeast Oregon, and I didn't end up eating any of them. So I grabbed one, figured I'd eat it out here, why not? And I'm curious on how, I've had mountain houses before. I don't know if I've had alpine air. I probably have, but they're all kind of the same thing. I find them to be pretty good. They're really good dehydrated meals. Actually, they may be freeze-dried. I think they're freeze-dried, which is even cooler. So, they're basic. All you do is you boil water, you pour it in, you wait, and then you eat. I'm excited for it. Okay, I think this meal is ready. I opened it up a minute ago and it has okra in it, which is awesome. So let's take a look at what looks good. See in there? Yeah, I got okra, rice, tomatoes. Well, actually no tomatoes, that's peppers. Chicken. I might have added just a little too much water. Well, maybe not, because it's a gumbo, so. Yeah. Oh, it's got some spice to it. That's gonna do just fine. I'm gonna sit by this lake right here, eat this up, and enjoy the view. After I ate that little meal, I just went up and laid down in the new hammock and I fell asleep for a little while. That thing is comfy. I think I'm gonna load up, pack up, and head out of here for the evening because I'm not prepared for a wet, soggy overnighter. And I'm not really looking forward if it's going to rain. It's just, and I don't feel like getting all soggy. So on that note, everybody stay awesome and on to the next adventure. Oh, I didn't forget about the tree. There we go. Oh, doesn't get much better than that.